Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class.
So children, the very first thing you are going to do is put the date, today's date at the left side corner of your notebook, and on the red line you will write CW. Okay? Leave the first line, start from the second line. We are going to write the question first. And the question will be fill. Write with me, children. Give one finger space after every word. Fill in the blanks with this, comma, that, 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 comma, these, 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 or those, THOSE, those. Full stop. So children, remember, when the thing is 1 in number, we are going to use this and that, and when it is more than 1, then we are going to use these and those. Okay? And when the things are near, we use this and these. When the thing is far away from us, we use that and those. Okay? Let's see the first one. You will make an arrow like this, and after this arrow we are going to make a cat. Now how to make a cat? You are going to make two circles, one big and the other one small, like you write 8, and then you are going to make eyes and mouth, and then one tail and 2 ears. Your cat is ready. Okay, and now we are going to write the question. Number 1, dash is a cat. C-A-T, cat. Full stop. Now, what are we going to write in the blank? This, that, these, or those?
So, children, the answer will be this. THIS, this. Why? Because the cat is only one and it is nearby. Okay, the cat is nearby. So, children, the answer will be this. THIS, this. Why? Because the cat is nearby and it is 1 in number. Only one cat is there. So, we are writing here this. THIS, this. This is a cat. Now come to the second one. You can see the hut is far away from the arrow. And the question is, dash is a hut. And what are we going to write here?
So children, we are going to write here that. T-H-A-T, that. Why? Because it is 1 in number and it is far away from the arrow. That means it is far away from us. So we will write that is a hut. Now come to number 3. Make an arrow and far away, you are going to make some trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees. And the question is, dash are trees. 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 So children, the answer is those. THOSE. Those are trees. Why we are using those? Because the trees are far away and it is more than 1 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are there. So we use those for when the trees are more than 1. Okay, and it is far away. So we have written here those. Now come to the fourth one. Number 4, you are going to make an arrow and you will make pencil. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3 pencils. Okay? And the question is, dash are pencils. 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 Full stop. Okay? So check it out children. The thing is near and it is more than 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils are there. So what should I write in the blank? What will be the answer? So the answer is these. 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 Okay? Check out children. Why we have written these? Because the pencil is more than 1 and it is near to us. Okay? So we will use the word these. I took a new page for writing number 5. Draw an arrow and we are going to draw a kite here. It is easy to draw. Okay? And the question is, dash is a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Small k children. The 2 strokes of K you have to give between 2 blue lines. Put a title on top of I. And K and T are supposed to touch the red line on the top and take it till lower blue line. Check out the lines children for each word. So what we can see, the number of kite is 1 and it is nearby. So what should I write here? This, that, these or those. So children, the answer is this. 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 Because the kite is only 1 and it is nearby. So the answer will be THIS. This. Now we come to number 6. Make an arrow and leave some space and we are going to draw apples. Okay, these are apples. So we have made 3 apples far away from the arrow and the question is, dash are apples. full stop. And what is the answer? So children, we are going to write here those, Those. Those are apples. Why? Because it is far away and it is more than one. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. The apples are 3 in number. It is more than one and it is far away. So we will use the word those. Those are apples. Now we go for the 7th one. Make an arrow. And at the end of the page, you are going to make a ball. Only one ball. Okay? And the question is, dash is a ball. BALL ball, full stop. The answer is that. THAT, that. When do we write that? When the thing is far away from us and it is only 1 in number. Okay, as we can see, the ball is only 1 and also it is far away. So we will use the word that. THAT, that. That is a ball.
So this was all for today, children. Thank you.